So now we're going to solve for chain rule, which has a formula of f prime times g of x times g prime of x. So now we have this equation y is equals to quantity of 5x plus 3 raised to 4. So now we're going to bring down the exponent, then minus it by 1. Then we have to get the derivative of 5x plus 3, which is 5. Then we're going to multiply 5 and 4, which is 20. So the final answer would be 20 times the quantity of 5x plus 3 raised to 3.
Like and subscribe.
Magbabagsakan dito in 5, 4, 3, 2. Nandito na si Chito Miranda. Nandito na si Kiko, si Francis Magalona. Nandito na si Glock9, wala siyang apelyido. Magbabagsakan dito in 5, 4, 3, 2.